Welcome to the presentation of the content analysis and comment generation tool. My name is Ahmed Ali and today I'll be walking you through this exciting project developed during my internship at Mentornus. Let's start with an introduction. The objective of this project is to develop a tool capable of analyzing articles and texts, generating 5 types of comments: friendly, funny, congratulatory, questioning, and disagreement. This tool enhances our understanding of sentiment analysis and natural language processing, utilizing powerful libraries like NLTK, TextBlob, and wider sentiment. The project involves analyzing text for sentiment and generating comments in different tones based on the analysis. Our goal are to develop a robust text analysis algorithm, implement a comment generation mechanism, and use free and use open source libraries effectively. We use several Python libraries for this project: NLTK for text processing, TextBlob for simple sentiment analysis, wider sentiment for non-sentiment analysis, and optionally scikit-learn for additional machine learning tools. Our workflow begins with setting up the environment. We create a virtual environment and install the necessary libraries using pip. Next, we move on the content analysis. We analyze text for sentiment using TextBlob and wider sentiment, extracting sentiment scores and a compound score. The third step involves comment generation. We generate 5 types of comments: friendly, funny, congratulatory, questioning, and disagreement using predefined templates and random selection. Now, let's dive into the implementation details. Our function analyze content, performs sentiment analysis, and we have specific function for generating each type of comment. The generate comment function integrates sentiment analysis and comment generation seamlessly. Here is the live demonstration. We will input a sample text and show the generated comments for each type. This will illustrate how the comments are selected based on the sentiment analysis result. We face several challenges, such as ensuring comment relevance and handling varied sentence textures. Our solution included optimizing comment templates and refining sentiment analysis algorithm. Our evaluation metrics include the accuracy of sentiment analysis and the appropriateness of generated comments. We gathered feedback for further improvements and refined our approach based on the user input. In conclusion, we have developed a functional content analysis and comment generation tool, demonstrating proficiency in NLP techniques and Python programming. Future tractions include scaling the tool for larger datasets and enhancing sentiment analysis accuracy with machine learning. At this point, we will open the floor for questions, discussing technical aspects, challenges, and future prospects of the project. Thank you for your time and attention. I had like to acknowledge the support and guidance of my mentors and team members. For any further questions or discussions, feel free to contact me at email or connect me with this link at LinkedIn.